Hi, this is Prashant here from ithought. I'm sure a lot of you would have read about the new budget that the government has put forth. And whenever a new budget comes up, the first thing that all of us look for is the taxation and how it's going to impact us. So this year, the government has introduced a new regime with different tax rates associated with it. But it does come with a few set of caveats. Now, have you been wondering which of these two tax regimes would be right for you? If you have, then we have some great news. We have a workshop that we are conducting called Which Regime Will Rule You? So, what is the agenda for this workshop? We will be looking at the different components in one's salary. We'll be looking at the different deductions and exemptions that you are eligible to under the old regime. We'll also be looking at the difference between the old regime and the new regime in terms of this tax slab rates. And we'll be looking at how your retirement corpus would be affected or how the corpus would play out over several years if you go for the two different options. And apart from that, we'll also be having live case studies which will give you a clear understanding of how these two regimes work. So for different categories and different profile of people, you'll be able to work on these scenarios and get to learn it in a much better way. So the next question is, who is this workshop for? So primarily it's for salaried individuals who want to plan their taxes in a more efficient manner. It is also for anyone else who wants to know about the difference between the two regimes and how it would impact them. And who will be conducting the event. So we have my colleagues Srimathi and Namratha who will be taking this workshop. Srimathi is a postgraduate in finance and Namratha is a qualified chartered accountant. Both of them work on comprehensive financial plans. So they'll be taking you through this session that we have for you. So what are the benefits of attending this workshop? Well, with proper tax preparation, you can ensure that you make informed decisions and make sure that your investments are aligned towards your financial goals. Now, all the details to the workshop can be found in the description below. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any further queries. We look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Thank you.